The Climate Change Institute Low Carbon Cookstoves project improves the lives of women in impoverished communities while significantly reducing global carbon emissions and deforestation. It is subject to a rigorous certification and verification process and is officially registered under the Verra VCS Registry in Washington, the world's largest voluntary GHG program. The objective is to distribute improved cookstoves to underprivileged rural households throughout Vietnam. In its first phase, 21,000 cookstoves are being distributed in Tuyen Quang Province. These improved cookstoves use 66% less firewood to cook the same amount of food. They release far less carbon into the atmosphere than traditional cooking methods. They also ease the burden of collecting firewood and cooking, which mostly falls on women. Project partners collaborate with local authorities to distribute the improved cookstoves at central village locations. The stoves are provided free of charge to households lacking access to clean cooking solutions. So what are the key objectives of this project? First off, we've got the goal of lowering greenhouse gas emissions. You see, fuel-efficient stoves can significantly reduce global carbon emissions. Next up, decrease deforestation. With reduced reliance on non-renewable wood, we can help preserve our forests. Now let's not forget about helping underprivileged women. With these stoves, they spend less time collecting firewood and cooking, which is a huge relief. And of course, improved health is another major objective. Lower exposure to harmful smoke reduces health risks such as heart disease and lung cancer, which disproportionately affects women and children. So, how is the project financed? By transitioning from inefficient open fires to improved cookstoves, the project measurably reduces greenhouse gas emissions. These reductions are then converted into Verra Verified Carbon Units, or VCUs, which are also known as carbon credits. Revenue from carbon credits supports increasing stove affordability and access funding training on proper stove use and maintenance, supporting project management and community outreach, as well as ongoing monitoring and verification. For each $10 donation, you will receive an official carbon offset certificate, and you or your company's name will be registered on the Verra VCS Carbon Registry. This shows you or your company's commitment to sustainability and compensates for your own emissions, which is a necessary step in order to go carbon neutral. 1 ton of carbon is the equivalent of 500 fire extinguishers and has the same weight as 400 bricks. The United States Environmental Protection Agency estimates that an average citizen emits 16 tons per year, and a typical passenger vehicle emits about 5 tons of carbon per year. Visit www.cookstoves.help and see how you can make a meaningful impact on the lives of thousands of women in poor households whilst actively fighting climate change and deforestation.